Picture a tower so tall it could reach the clouds and tower over all other buildings. The Jeddah Tower was going to be just that, a 1,000-meter tall architectural masterpiece that would break records and leave the world amazed. But what happened to this incredible structure? Why was it never completed? Get ready for a thrilling journey through the highs and lows of the Jeddah Tower project. Discover the vision that sparked its conception and the challenges that stood in the way of its completion. Explore the fascinating story of the Jeddah Tower, from its beginning to its unfinished state. This is a story that will keep you on the edge of your seat with jaw-dropping facts and stunning insights. In 2008, plans for the Jeddah Tower were revealed. At that time, the Burj Khalifa in Dubai was the highest building on earth. The Bin Laden Company, a Saudi Arabian construction business, was responsible for the building's design along with Adrian Smith and Gordon Gill architecture. Talking about magnificent works, great buildings don't just happen. They're the result of extraordinary vision, skill, and creativity. And when it comes to the world's most iconic structures, it's the architects who are the true heroes behind the scenes. From Adrian Smith, the mastermind behind the Jeddah Tower and the Burj Khalifa, to Gordon Gill and many others. Join us on a journey through the lives and legacies of the world's most innovative architects and discover how they're changing our cities and our world. Among the most well-known architects in the world, Adrian Smith created the Jeddah Tower. Moreover, he created the Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest structure at the moment. Smith was a design partner of the company that worked on the Jeddah Tower. The structure has a triangular footprint that becomes narrower as it rises and ends with a spire. The Burj Khalifa, designed by Smith and completed in 2010, served as the Jeddah Tower's model. The Jeddah Tower, on the other hand, presented a lot of special obstacles for the design team because it was intended to be even taller and more complex than the Burj Khalifa. Extreme weather conditions, earthquakes, and heavy winds were just a few of the problems Smith and his team had to deal with. These problems all demanded creative engineering solutions. Notwithstanding the difficulties, Smith was dedicated to his plan for the Jeddah Tower and worked closely with the project team to make sure the structure would be both useful and beautiful. The end result is a structure that serves as both a spectacular addition to Jeddah's skyline and a monument to Smith's design skill. The Jeddah Tower was built with the intention of creating a new symbol that would represent Saudi Arabia's desire to diversify its economy and stop depending solely on oil. A hotel, luxury apartments, offices, and an observation deck with stunning views of the city and the Red Sea were all planned to be located in the tower. The Jeddah Tower was initially intended to be over 1,000 meters tall, becoming the first structure in history to surpass the 1-kilometer mark. With 167 stories and a combined floor area of more than 530,000 square meters, the tower was intended to include a mix of business, hotel, and residential space. So what really happened? What made the construction of the Jeddah Tower stop? From technical challenges to financial troubles, the story behind the Jeddah Tower sheds light on the difficulties of creating something truly extraordinary. Stick till the end because we're going to reveal some insane insiders that will leave you on the edge of your seat. However, a number of technical and financial difficulties forced the ambitious project to be cancelled. One of the main technical challenges of the project was designing and constructing a building that could withstand extreme weather conditions in Jeddah. The city is located on the coast of the Red Sea, which experiences high winds and salt-laden air that can cause corrosion and damage to building materials. The design of the Jeddah Tower incorporated several features to address these challenges, such as a unique aerodynamic shape to reduce wind loads and minimize sway, and a high-performance facade that could withstand the harsh environment. However, these design considerations also made the construction process more complex and time-consuming. Building the tallest skyscraper in the world was always going to be a daunting challenge. But what if the biggest obstacle wasn't the building itself, but the bottom line? The Jeddah Tower, which would have been the tallest building in the world, faced financial difficulties that not only put the project at risk of being cancelled. From funding issues to legal troubles, the story of the Jeddah Tower's financial struggles is a dramatic tale of ambition, perseverance, and the high stakes of building the impossible. The project was severely impacted by declining oil prices, which resulted in a financial crisis and reduced the ability of the Bin Laden Group to finance the project. The business also encountered legal issues, such as accusations of corruption and an investigation into a crane accident that claimed over 100 lives in 2015 at the Great Mosque in Mecca. Due to these concerns, as well as delays and construction issues, the project halted, and by 2018, the Jeddah Tower had only risen to a height of 66 stories, far below its initial objective. They say that a strong foundation is the key to building something great, but what happens when the foundation itself is the biggest challenge? That was the case with the Jeddah Tower, that would have been the tallest building in the world, whose construction was plagued by foundation issues that threatened to undermine the entire project. From soft, sandy soil to the sheer scale of the tower, the story of the Jeddah Tower's foundation challenges is a fascinating look at the limits of engineering and the power of human ingenuity. Let's dig deep into this. The foundation of the tower's construction had a significant problem. The tower was to be built on a soft, sandy soil foundation, which required considerable ground renovation and stabilization to assure the tower's durability. Around 270 piles, each up to 100 meters deep, and 192 pile tops, each weighing up to 1,500 tons, were used in the foundation design. It took over a year to build the foundation alone, and creative technical solutions were needed to make sure the piles could survive the heavy loads and forces placed on them. The Jeddah Tower was set to be the world's tallest building, but as the original completion date of 2020 came and went, the tower remains unfinished and its future uncertain. Join us as we dive into the challenges and obstacles that have delayed the construction of this modern wonder and what the future holds for this iconic building. The Jeddah Tower was supposed to be finished in 2020, but as of right now, the work has been suspended due to money issues. Saudi Arabian prince and billionaire Al Walid was arrested in 2017, along with other prominent business people and officials, as part of a campaign against corruption in Saudi Arabia. It's currently unknown if or when work on the Jeddah Tower will resume. The tower still serves as a representation of Saudi Arabia's ambition and future plans, but its future is in doubt. The difficulties encountered by the Jeddah Tower serve as a reminder of how difficult and frequently unpredictable large-scale building projects can be. We hope you enjoyed exploring the amazing world of construction and engineering with us, and learning about the captivating tale of the Jeddah Tower. If you were as blown away by this incredible story as we were, be sure to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and share this video with your friends. And who knows, maybe one day we'll have the privilege of taking you on a tour of the completed Jeddah Tower. Can you imagine standing on top of the world's tallest building and looking down on everything below? We sure can, and we can't wait to share that experience with you. Let us know in the comments what you think about this insane project, and if you ever think it will be completed.